ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिनि व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति 20 इति अभ्यासः 20। प्रथमः वयं संज्ञाशब्दे धातुशब्दे अभ्यासः पश्यामः। पुनः एचोयवायावः इति सन्धिम् अपि पश्यामः। प्रथमः संज्ञाशब्दानि। सिंहः शेर लायन, व्याघ्रः टाइगर भाग, वृक्षः रीच इज बेर लाइक अ स्लॉथ बेर, शूकरः सुअर पिग, वृकः भेड़िया वुल्फ, शृगालः गीदड़ jackal. So today is all animals. अद्य सर्वे शब्दानि पशवः सन्ति। पशवः पशु पशु पशवः। शृगालः गीदड़ jackal, शशकः खरगोश rabbit, वानरः बंदर monkey, वृषभः बैल बुल, उष्ट्रः ऊठ कैमल, गर्दभः गधा डोंकी, कुक्कुरः कुत्ता डॉग, मार्जारः बिल्ली कैट, अजः बकरा गोट और शीप, मूषकः चूहा रैट। वी आर ऑन पेज नंबर 40। वयं पृष्ठक्रमांक 40 इति सन्ति। वी आर ऑन पेज नंबर 40। अभ्यास 20th अभ्यास। पुनः धातु शब्दानि। गच्छत, गच्छत इति जाता हुआ, while going. So बालकः गच्छत, while the boy is going, सः क्रीडति, he is playing. While he is going, he is playing. गच्छत बालकः, or they will give examples. Because it has declination. So gachan balakah kridati, while going he is playing. Pathat padta hua, pathat balakah kridati khadati, while eating, while reading he is eating. Likhat likhata hua, so likhat would be लिखता हुआ। लिखत बालकः क्रीडति, स्मरति। हाँ, बहु समीचीनं। लिखत बालकः स्मरति। कुर्वत्, कुर्वत् बालकः काम कुर्वत्, करता हुआ। तो काम कुर्वत्, कामः कर्मः कुर्वत्, बालकः हसति, हसति। सम्यक्। फिर अव्यय शब्द, एकः ही शब्द अस्ति अद्य। की, यत्, यत् की, दैट। he said कि, बोला कि, so सः अवदत् यत्, whatever. सूचना सिंह मूषकः रामवत्। तो सर्वे पुल्लिंग शब्दानि सन्ति। they are all male शब्दस्, like रामः, रामः, रामो, रामः, इति, वैसे ही सिंहः सिंहौ सिंहाः, मूषकः मूषकौ मूषकाः इति। गच्छत्, गच्छत् कुर्वत् गच्छत् के तुल्य। गच्छत् शब्द विल कम, आगमिष्यति। व्याकरण गच्छत् लंग लकार अयादि संधि चतुर्थी। सो बिफोर वी कंटिन्यू, अद्य वयं पश्यामः लंग लकार। ह्यः, ह्यः न, द्वे दिने पूर्वे वयम् अपश्यामः और पश्यामः स्म लोट लकार। पूर्वे वयं पश्यामः स्म लट लकार। सो दे आर, इट इज फॉलोइंग द सेम, वही पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहा है। लट लोट लंग। श्वः विधिलिंग, श्वः विधिलिंग। यः श्वः, यस्टरडे टुमारो। श्वः शोभावामर्त्यस्य दन्तकैतत् कठोपनिषद। सर्वेन्द्रियाणां जरयन्ति तेज। कल होगा या नहीं होगा मुझे जानते हैं। शोभावः, टुमारो इट विल नॉट बी देयर। सो यमाचार्य, डोंट गिव मी एनी ऑफ दिस स्टफ, गिव मी ओनली ब्रह्मविद्या। शोभाव, श्वः। हाँ, तो ह्यः श्वः विधिलिंग। So they are following that pattern again in the Atmanepada Shabdani abhi. प्रथमः वयं पश्यामः स्म परस्मैपद शब्दानि। अधुना अथवा इदानीं वयं पश्यामः आत्मनेपद शब्दानि। So they are following गच्छत् लंग अयादि संधि। हाँ, बिफोर वी कंटिन्यू, द्वे दिने पूर्वे वयं पश्यामः स्म किं संधि। विच संधि डिड वी सी टुडे? इको एणचि। हाँ, इको एणचि। इकः स्थाने यन् स्यादचि परे, यन् स्यादचि संहितायां विषये सुधि उपास्य इति स्थिते। द्वे दिने पहले वयं पश्यामः स्म। पूर्वे वयम् पश्यामः स्म किं संधि? बहु सम्यक्, मो अनुस्वारः इति मो अनुस्वार अनुस्वार संधिः अस्ति। इको एणचि अपि अद्यतन संधि। एचोयवायवः द्वे उभयोः यण् संधि। एचोयवायवः इति आयादि संधि वयं वदामः। इट इज कॉल्ड, ये इसका नाम है आयादि संधि। सर्वे संधिः ग्रंथस्य अन्ते सन्ति। दे आर ऑल रिटन 18 संधिस् वी saw, 18। ओके, बिफोर वी गो टू संधि, लेट अस फिनिश अभ्यास। गच्छत् शब्द के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो। अहम पठामि, परंतु आई विल रीड, लेकिन बाद में जब टाइम है, जस्ट रीड इट टू समबडी, रीड इट आउट, सो दैट वो मन में रहेगा। पृष्ठ क्रमांकः 65, 65। नवम गच्छत्, गच्छत् जाता हुआ। तकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्दः अस्ति। गच्छत्, पठत्, क्रीडत्, सर्वे पुल्लिंग शब्दानि सन्ति। दे आर ऑल पुल्लिंग शब्दस्, सब दे आर ऑल मेल। गच्छन् गच्छन्तौ, everyone's found. If you are not found, stop me. Whenever, if there is any trouble, you just stop. गच्छन् गच्छन्तौ गच्छन्तः, गच्छन्तं गच्छन्तौ गच्छतः, गच्छता गच्छद्भ्यां गच्छद्भिः। तृतीया। चतुर्थी विभक्ति गच्छते गच्छद्भ्यां गच्छद्भ्यः। पंचमी विभक्ति गच्छतः गच्छद्भ्यां गच्छद्भ्यः। षष्ठी विभक्ति गच्छतः गच्छतोः गच्छतां। सप्तमी विभक्ति गच्छति गच्छतोः गच्छत्सु। संबोधन विभक्ति हे गच्छन् हे गच्छन्तौ हे गच्छन्तः। दिस इज ऑन पेज नंबर 65, लास्ट, बॉटम ऑफ द पेज. So in the same way it will be pathat. also. Kridat, whatever they have given, likhat, kuruvat, everything will be in the same form. The ending will be the same. The beginning will be different.
The same as the Bhagavat.
But Bhagavat, there will be slight differences. You see, Prathama Ekavachana of Bhagavat is Bhagavan. Parantu Gachan. Not Gachan. Exactly. So there will be slight differences, which is why they have separated them. You are seeing page 65, Navama, 9th word, Gachan today. Page 65, page 40, Abhyasa 20, and page 65, Gachan Shabda. I will continue reading. Patat, I am going back to page 40. Chatvarimshat. Gachat शब्द के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो. That we have seen now. When you have time, read to yourself or to somebody. पठत आदि के रूप गच्छत आदि के तुल्य चलाओ. इस प्रकार के बने हुए अन्य शब्दों के लिए देखो अभ्यास 26 तो बाद में आएगा. 26 it will come later. उसका व्याकरण. Save lung lakara. So yesterday, this week already we have seen lut and lot in Atmanipada. Already today we see lung. Save. Asevat, asevetam, asevanta, asevathaha, asevetham, asevadvam, aseve, asevavahi, asevamahi. तो सुंदर जी एका प्रश्न अस्ति. ते सेव लंग लकार इति लकारे ते डैश. ते किम् अस्ति, किं भवति?
ते
असेवन्त. बहु सम्यक्, बहु समीचीनं. हरिजी एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति. अहं डैश किं भवति?
अहम् असेवे.
असेवे. बहु सम्यक्, बहु समीचीनं. संध्या जी, you have found, or we'll wait till the abhyasa?
Yeah, I'm a bit outside, so
it's okay. Relax. Now, Avantika ji, later. Today we'll just follow. From tomorrow we'll discuss more. सूचना. लंग लकार में धातु से पहले अ लगता है. This we have already seen. In लंग लकार पठति will become अपठत. Bhavati will become abhavat, past tense. Or there is a simple way, bhavatisma, paఠatisma, etc. यदि धातु का पहला अक्षर कोई स्वर हो तो आ लगेगा. जैसे आगच्छति, आगच्छत. और अभवत will be but abhavat itself is lang lakara, so it will not lung of lung. But if there is a shabda which starts in a, it will become a in the lung lakara. We will find some example. Anaya is ni dhatu. Ni dhatu will be, anaya will already be anayat. Nayati anayat. There will be something. We will see. We will find some example. अभ्यास 10 and 11 में दिए चतुर्थी. When talking, please unmute. When not talking, please mute. No, because asakta not a dhatu. अभ्यास 10, 11 में दिए हुए चतुर्थी, 10, 11 में दिए हुए चतुर्थी के नियमों का पुनः अभ्यास करो. We don't need to go back to that page and all. The abhyasas are that re and ish. If there is re and ish letter, na will become na. Samyak. Re and ish like Krishna. Krishna shabda. It is not Krishna. It is Krishna. So if there is ra or ish, it will always become na. Na becomes na. And we also saw dvitiya vachan. Karma will also be in dvitiya. Karma will always be. Karmani dvitiya. Karma always is in dvitiya vibhakti. यद अव्यय की अर्थ में आता है, की अर्थ में आता है. जैसे उसने कहा कि, उसने कहा कि मैं नहीं जाऊंगा. सः अभाषते यत् अहम न गमिष्यामि. I will not go. I will not come. He said that I will not come. सः अभाषत कि. Okay, we quickly see उदाहरण वाक्य. उदाहरण वाक्य अहम पृच्छामि. सुंदर जी, बालकः पठन् लिखन् कार्यं च कुर्वन् अस्ति.
बालकः पढ़ता हुआ नहीं.
हाँ, इंग्लिश और हिंदी.
So बालकः reading, writing, working. I mean reading, writing and working.
बस
Yes.
इतना ही. हाँ, he is reading, writing and working. अथवा पढ़ता हुआ, लिखता हुआ, कार्यं करता हुआ अस्ति है. हरिजी, भवान् वदतु कृपया. गच्छन्तं सिंहं पश्य.
गच्छन्तं सिंहं पश्य. The walking lion sees or going lion sees.
पश्य, पश्य किं लकार अस्ति?
Pashya is
like Pashya. Bhagavan sees in 11th chapter to Arjuna, Pashyeta, Pashya, see the Divyam Dadami Te Chakshuru, Pashya, Pashya Arjuna, Pashya Partha. That is Lot, instruction, Lot lakara. So if you say Gachantam Simham Pashya,
Lot is Ajna Shabd, command actually.
Correct.
So see the walking lion.
Samyak, Bahu Samichinam. See the walking lion. Gachantam Simham Pashya. Here there is an important point. Balakaha Pathan Likan. This is ये प्रथमा विभक्ति है. Gachantam Simham ये द्वितीया है. Because the Simham is an object, Gachan Shabda will also take द्वितीया विभक्ति. It follows the main word. Gachantam, Pathantam, Likhat, all these shabdas, they follow the actual word. So Simha is in Dvitiya, Simham, Pashya Simham, see the lion. So Gachantam is Dvitiya. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana, this is said in page number 65 that we read earlier. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana is Gachantam, so Gachantam Simham Pashya. Like this, the third one, Patata, I'll say the third one. Patata balakena saha Rama tishtati. Balakena saha iti tritiya vibhakti asti. Balakaha balako balakaha prathama. Dvitiya vibhakti balakam balako balakan. Tritiya vibhakti balakena, like Ramena. Balakena. So tritiya vibhakti iti, for this reason इसके लिए पठता भी तृतीया विभक्ति है. पठत शब्द है, तृतीया एकवचनम इज पठता. सो पठता बालकेन सह रामः तिष्ठति. पठता बालकेन सह विथ और बाय विथ द बालकेन सह विथ द बालक राम इज सिटिंग, स्टैंडिंग, सेइंग व्हाटएवर, तिष्ठति, ही इज देयर. सुंदर जी भानुवाद तो चत्वारि. गच्छते शिष्याय पुस्तकं यच्छ.
So give the going shishya, the shishyaya. So therefore, that is जाते हुए शिष्य के लिए पुस्तकम दो.
को के लिए को whatever, give it to him.
Give it to him.
One more thing, while reading gachat shabda always start from middle of sentence. Even in bhashya tika sometimes gachat comes. Gachat, pathat, kuruvat, mimamsaka will always say kuruvat. This is all kuruvat only. Brahman brahmasmi is kuruvat. Read that next one first and then match it to this.
So shishyaya gacchate.
हाँ, शिष्याय गच्छते. So शिष्याय पुस्तकं यच्छ, गच्छते शिष्याय. गच्छते चतुर्थी विभक्ति अस्ति. पुनः हरिजी पंचम. गच्छतः अश्वात् बालक अपतत्.
गच्छतः अश्वात् बालक, the ashwat from horse, balakah from walking horse, the boy fell.
Correct, बहु सम्यक. From the horse that is going, गच्छतः बालकः अपतत्, बालकः fell down. I'll do the sixth one. लिखतः शिष्यस्य लेखं पश्य. From that is off. See the pen of the शिष्य who is writing. लिखे हुए, लिखता हुआ शिष्य के lekah lekam pashya, lek dekho. So this is, you see, gachatah likhatah, both are same. Panchami and Shashti दोनों एक ही है. पठतः पठतः, लिखता लिखता, गच्छता गच्छता. Panchami ekavachanam and Shashti ekavachanam are the same word. So you see the context. And it comes in some whatever bhashi take, whole sentence. If it says lekam pashya, okay, you see his pen. But if it says ashvat apatat, then obviously it is from Panchami Vibhakti. Ashvat iti Panchami Vibhakti asti. So the next word also matters. This is the extra complication in these gachat likat shabdas. Seventh one, vrikaha gachan asit. So, Sundar ji.
भेड़िया जाता हुआ भेड़िया आसीत.
आसीत was किम लकारा अस्ति आसीत.
आसीत is सीत लकार, right? आसीत means
आसीत अस्ति स्तः सन्ति इति लट् लकारः. तो आसीत will be
आसीत will be lung.
लंग. सम्यक लंग. Past tense.
So Vrinkam Gachan Asit. So therefore the भेड़िया went.
Was going. Gachan. Right? He was going. जा रहा था. भेड़िया जा रहा था. This Gachan Shabda is it feels like it is an unnecessary complication. In some ways it is, because there is another Lakara which will come in the second volume, which will be a better word than this Gachan, Patan and all. For now we can see this. Ramaha abhashata. Hariji vadatu bhavan. Ramaha abhashata. Yat sa sada satyam vadishyati. Kim bhavati?
Ram abhashata is said, past tense. Yat is the connecting thing. Sada satyam vadishyati. Always say the truth. Ram said that always say the truth.
Ram said that he always says the truth. Saha.
Yeah. Saha. Okay. He always say the truth. Saha. Sada satyam vadishyati.
Vadishyati. He will always say the truth. He will. Vadishyati.
Vadishyati is Ekavajan, but that it is actually Prathama Purusha, right?
Samyak. Parantu kim lakara? Kasmin lakara?
Pashyati.
Vadishyati.
Vadishyati. Just looking at it.
Future. Bhavishya. Lit lakara.
That is lit
lakara.
Right?
Lit lakara.
Yeah.
So Vadishyati. Rama said. Ram ने कहा कि यद कहा कि
He will always say
सदा
the truth.
सत्यम वदिष्यति. सहा वो हमेशा सत्य ही बताएगा, बोलेगा. सदा सत्य बोलेगा. ही नहीं, सदा सत्य बोलेगा. 9th and 10th are easy. Ramaha gurum asevata dhanam alabata avardhata amodata cha. So Ramaha is in Prathama. Ramaha does seva of the Guru, gains money, dhanam.
Seva of the Guru or does seva? No, does.
Along only, right? Asevata, not asevat, right?
Yeah.
Asevata is that Prathama Purusha Ekavachana, page 40.
Page 40, correct.
Ramaha gurum asevata. He was doing, that is
he was doing, right?
he did, that is Ram ने गुरु की सेवा की. Exactly, गुरु की सेवा की. धनम अलबता, धन के को पाया, we can say, धन को पाया. और like that avardhata amodata cha, प्रसन्न हुआ, amodata. Avardhata, he became big, so bada, he became big. So you can say like that. This is all Atmanepada lang lakara. Twan bukkam asahathaha. Asahathaha is like asevataha. Page 40. Sev lang lakara Atmanepada shabda. Madhyama Purusha ekavachana asevataha. Similarly asahathaha. So tvam dukkam asahathaha. You always you always bear it. Sahan. करो और किया, दैट इज तूने दुख को पास्ट टेंस सहन किया.
You have always been bearing it.
हाँ, एंड कन्याम एकशथाः च, यू ऑल्सो सॉ कन्या, कन्या को देखा. बोथ. सो दिस इज द लंग लकार आत्मनेपद. It is an unnecessary, this is not often used in Bhashya Tika. Since our Vyakarana is purely for Vedanta, we can just go through this Shabda, but this is not like super prominent because we rarely see Atmanepada Langlakara in our Vedanta texts. Sanskrit Banao Prathamah Shishya जा रहा है, शिष्यः गच्छति. और in this, because it is जा रहा है, no, शिष्यः गच्छन् अस्ति, गच्छन् अस्ति. राम काम कर रहा है, सो रामः कार्यं कुर्वन् अस्ति. सुंदर जी तू कृष्ण लिख रहा है.
कृष्ण लिख रहा है. So लिखन अस्ति.
सम्यक्.
कृष्ण लिखन अस्ति.
लिखन अस्ति. हरि जी वदतु भवान्. एक शेर जा रहा है, एक शेर जा रहा है. संस्कृत भाषायां
सिंहः, one सिंहम,
एकः
आसीत्.
अच्छा, हाँ, दैट इज करेक्ट. एकः सिंहः, समीचीनम्. एकः सिंहः, एक शेर ना, एक शेर जा रहा था, तो एकः सिंह.
एक शेर सिंहः is enough, no?
Yes, actually it is enough. Good, it is enough. But here, since this translation says एक शेर जा रहा था, through सिंहः गच्छन् आसीत्, this is enough to say it is only one share.
Okay.
Perfect. But because the translation is here, एकः शेर.
एकः सिंहः गच्छन् आसीत्.
सम्यक्, बहु समीचीनम्. This next ones are quite easy, so we will see number 9. सुंदर जी नवम. राम ने कहा कि वह घर जा रहा है.
Okay. राम ने, okay, राम ने, so it is रामेण.
रामेण
वदति, कहा.
किमर्थं रामेण? रामेण इति तृतीया विभक्ति अस्ति. रामः अभाषत, वही ना, पहले देखा वो. हाँ, रामः अभाषत यत्.
रामः अभाषत यत्.
हाँ,
सः गृहं गच्छन् आसीत्.
गच्छन् अस्ति, जा रहा है. राम ने कहा कि रामः अभाषत यत् सः गृहं गच्छन् अस्ति. हरि जी दशम. वन में शेर, बाघ, रीछ, सुअर, ये सब. वन में पशवः रहते हैं. हाँ,
वने पशवः वसन्ति.
वसन्ति, बहुत सम्यक. वने पशवः वसन्ति. और यू कैन से रहते हैं. हाँ, रहते हैं, इनफ, या करेक्ट. रहते हैं, वसन्ति. सम्यक. नगर में घोड़े, बैल, ऊंट, गधे, व्हाटएवर. नहर में
we can say asti also, no?
No, रहते हैं. रहते हैं.
Oh, yes.
हाँ, रहते हैं इस बहुवचन है. But you can say vasti. So if you say asti vane vasati, it means, like in the vana, one share, one simha, one bagh, whatever, one vyagra. One will also be bahuvachana. Avantika ji, you want to try? Nagar में ये पशवः रहते हैं. If not, no problem. Next time.
Just. Which one?
एकादश. 11वें.
नगर में घोड़े, बैल, ऊंट, गधे, बिल्ली, बकरे और चूहे भी रहते हैं.
सब रहते हैं. हाँ, नगर में सब पशवः रहते हैं. तो संस्कृत भाषायां
this will be सप्तमी ना नगर
सम्यक्
में
बहु सम्यक्
नगरात् अश्वः
पशवः
ऋषभः
you can just say पशवः एक will take बहुत time पशवः
ओके नगरात् पशवः निवसति वसन्ति इति बहुवचनम् and one more thing नगरात् इति पञ्चमी विभक्ति अस्ति सप्तमी विभक्ति नगरे पशवः निवसन्ति वसन्ति सम्यक् समीचीनं little bit practice will be you already have lots of practice तो थोड़ी देर में ठीक हो जाएगी then 12 सुंदर जी वदतु भवान् कुत्ते को भोजन दो
so kutta is here now where is kutta
कुकुरः
so kukuram right so kukuram bhojanam yaccha
बहु सम्यक् सिंपल हरि जी 16 उसने धन पाया हरि जी म्यूट इति प्रयोगे भवति
सः उसने धनं यच्छ past tense of yaccha is yachchati no and I just look for the past tense of
no worries this will not be yachchati paya iti
paya is
श्रद्धावान dash 4th chapter Bhagavad Gita श्रद्धावान
लभते ज्ञान ओके सः धनं लभते the past tense of this is past tense right
this is ye dhan paya samichinam past tense hi hai but it will be atmanepada past tense not alabhat this will be
okay atmanepada is is save labhata
alabhata see like asevata alabhata sadhanam alabhata samyak avantika ji number 14 guru ko namaskar गुरु को
गुरवे नमस्कारम
no it is correct बहु सम्यक् गुरवे नमः simple गुरवे नमस्कारम इति अपि समीचीनम् अस्ति बहु सम्यक् गुरवे नमस्कारम् अपि समीचीनम्
because guru ko
but that we saw in abhyasa which abhyasa 10 or 11 when the first time it came they said you use chaturthi when you are doing namaskara for this certain shabdas use chaturthi so gurum namaha is okay but it is better to say gurave namaha because you are giving namaskara to guru it came in one of the abhyasas Hari ji
how do we know which is atmanepadi and parasmepadi only with practice
yes only with practice but it will make sense after a while you know like seva shabda will always be atmanepada only sevati very rarely in Sanskrit very rarely it will go to parasmaipada because sevata shabda is for oneself like that with practice it will make sense like namaskara generally it we will say gurave namaha only we will
but
not
if you say guru ki seva you do it is for the guru right but you treat it as for yourself basically.
Yeah because chitta shuddhi like in Sanskrit that guru ki seva karo you will say you do this but it will be if somebody did it they will generally say in atmanepada only like some shabdas generally take this atmanepada rupa it will make sense like patati like here this last one they have said maine vidya sikhi we'll have to take in Atmanepada only, because we study for ourselves, we do not study for somebody else. It makes sense, right? I am studying for what? My father or my mother? No, I am studying for myself. So it is Atmanepada only. So some shabdas will always take that form. It will make sense the more we read. And one more thing, our main topic is to read Sanskrit. And when we read Sanskrit, we'll see that Seva Shabda generally comes in Atmanepada. Our main topic is not to translate into Sanskrit. So this question will be, what's the word? We will not have a great necessity to answer, which is Parasmaipada, which is Atmanepada, because when we see, we will know whichever Shabda they have used.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
But this is a very good question. मैंने विद्या सीखी, अहम विद्याम अशिक्षे, किमर्थम असेवे अशिक्षे. I studied for Atmanepada Dhatu, I studied for myself. And one more, in Parasmaipada Lang Lakara, if we see, you can see later that the Shabdas they have used in Parasmaipada Lang Lakara in this book itself is very typically the Shabdas, the Dhatus that you do for somebody else. Like, I will just quickly see, this was Abhyasa number 7. In Abhyasa 7, Churana, Chint, Sochna, Katana, Kehna, all this you do for somebody else. Like Bhaksh, Khana, Rachna. Bhaksh you eat that food. Or Rach, banana, you make it. So this is all typically Shabdas that involve the object. That is generally an active voice. But in Atmanepada, we have seen Sev Shabda, Vidya, Shiksha Shabda, all these for the sake of oneself. Atmanepada. अशुद्धवाक्य तो शुद्धवाक्य. गच्छन् व्याघ्रं पश्य, they are given गच्छन्तं व्याघ्रं पश्य, द्वितीया विभक्ति. पठन् बालकं मोदकं यच्छ, पठते बालकाय मोदकं यच्छ, चतुर्थी विभक्ति. कार्यं कुर्वन् शिष्यस्य, कार्यं कुर्वतः शिष्यस्य, दिस इज चतुर्थी विभक्ति. शिष्यस्य षष्ठी विभक्ति. शिष्यस्य षष्ठी, कुर्वतः अपि षष्ठी. I will ask Swamiji tomorrow about this Sev Shabda, this question, because both Sundarji and Hariji have asked the same question. So I will check with Swamiji and I give a full answer tomorrow. But I think this is the answer. Anyway, I will double check and check tomorrow. The same thing you asked, right? Okay. Vakya banao. Sundarji vadatu gachantam.
Okay, gachantam is Dvitiya. So Dvitiya Vibhakti. So therefore, okay. So 1 second.
Okay.
So Gachantam, and then in Dvitiya Vibhakti we can say, like we say, Vriksham or Vriksham. Gachantam, Vriksham.
But Vriksha does not go anywhere.
No, Vriksham, that Vrikam, what is that?
Vrikam, wolf.
Yeah, Vrikam. So Gachantam, Vrikam, and then
Pashya. See.
Pashya, see.
So, see, Pashya. Dot.
See.
Hariji, Kurvataha Shabda, which Shabda, Vakya Rachatu, Bhavan?
Yajnam Kurvataha Ramaha. Yajnam Kurvadaha is one doing Yajnam. Ramaha.
No. If Kurvataha, this Kurvan Shabda is to be used in Prathama, they will say Kurvan. Yajnam Kurvan, okay. Ramaha. But Kurvataha is which Vibhakti? Okay, Kurvataha. Avantika ji?
Fourth or fifth?
Fifth and sixth. Panchami or Shashti. Kurvataha. I'll help with this. Kurvataha Shishyat.
Okay, Shishya is the...
Isn't it we are using as a Kriyapad?
Okay.
Kurvataha. Are we using as a Kriyapad?
Yeah, so we are saying Kurvan Shabda.
So if it is we are using as a Kriyapad, then Vibhakti
Good question.
It will be then Prathama Purusha Kurvatah. Dvitiya Purusha, I'm not sure. Kurvatah.
No, so we are using this Gachat with declination. They are given in page 65. Navama. Gachan Shabda. So Jata Hua. It is not a purely Kriyapada. It is like it is a Kriyapada only, but it is as an objective for somebody. So like Gachan Balakaha. The Jata Hua.
Balaka.
So like
it's not like a Pratham Purush Dvivachan.
No. Exactly. Good question. See, generally when it is Dhatu or Kriyapada, we have to take Purusha and Vachana. But since this is Jata Hua, we are taking as like a Sanya Shabda with Ashta Vibhaktiya. This is a very good question. Only this Gachat, this is why, when the second book begins, Rachananvaya Kaumudi Dvitiya, Madhyama, there is one Abhyasa, there is one Lakara which will make this useless. Not useless, but less useful than all the other ones. Because there is a shortcut to Gachan, Gachat, Likat, Patat, etc. One Lakara there will be a shortcut. So even if there is a little confusion here, don't worry too much. Here, Kurvataha is used in Panchami or Shashti. So I will say, Kurvataha Balakat Lekaha or Kurvataha Balakat Pustakam Pashya. Or Pustakam Anaya. You can say from that you bring, from that balaka who's working, bring the pustaka, bring a book from him. So Kurvataha is used in Panchami atha Shashti. Here they have given example, Gacchataha Ashwat Balakaha Apatat. So you can say Kurvataha Balakat Lekaha Apatat. The pen fell down from the boy who is working. This is an option. And they are given also Likataha Shishyasya Lekam Pashya. The boy who is writing, see his pen. So you can say Likataha Shishyasya, or they are given some other Kurvataha Shishyasya Lekam Pashya. See the pen of the boy who is working. Uska pen dekho. Uska lekhni dekho. So there are examples, there are ways to use this word in Panchami and Shashti. They are given Kurvataha. Okay. This word, because there is a shortcut, we will see later on. Next month or so this will come. Okay, now to Sandhi. Sandhi, Echoyavayavaha. Echoyavayavaha is 6178. Mo Anuswaraha was Hariji Athava Avantika ji. You remember number of Mo Anuswaraha? Okay. 8323. Bahu Samyak Sundar ji. 8323. Or Tuesday we saw Ikoyanachi. Ikoyanachi number 6177. 6177. Today we are seeing 6178. Echo Yavayavaha. Echo Yavayavaha iti Yan Sandhi asti. I am going to share my screen here. I hope everyone is able to see. Show Sundarji also. So I am sharing this is Echo Yavayavaha iti Sandhi 6178. Here you see 6178. Jai Sadhana. What Swamiji asks for in the beginning is Echo Yavayavaha, the name of the Sandhi, and the name of the Sutra, and Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, this one, Echaha Kramal, I av, ete Syurachi. This is the Vritti. So Sutra and Vritti, Echaha Kramal, I av, ete Syuhu Achi. So here there is an Echaha and there is Achi. What is Echaha and what is Achi? They have given here itself. Echaha is A, O, I and Au. So how yesterday we saw Ikoyanachi, Ikaha. Ikaha was E and u and r and r. Correct. Samyak. R. So that was for eco energy. So each of them became ya, va, ra and la. So for example, we had iti plus ekaha, iti ekaha. Prati plus ekaha, pratyeka, because e became ya. Here it is very similar. A, au, I and au are in echaha, and achi. Achi are all the vowels. So achi will come in many sutras. All vowels are achi. So here what is the vritti? Echaha kramat. Kramat, in the echaha, kramat, I av, ete siku. So before the achi, before the vowel, if the second word begins with a vowel, echaha kramat. So kramat are these four. This is the krama. 1, 2, 3, 4. Krama. Kramat, I av. So A becomes I.
So krama is a subset of the order.
Order. Echaha kramat. In this order, A becomes I. O becomes av. I becomes I. And au becomes ava. So there are examples also given, not in Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. We will come back to our Prarambhika Rachanavada Kaumudi for examples. But you see, this Ashtadhyayi app is very easy to, very simple and very useful if we know what to see, because there's so much information there. You specifically search for name of sutra and Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. तो ये दोनों से पूरे काम whatever. And when Swamiji asks questions, only name of sutra is enough. So for example, Swamiji may ask one day, he may say haraye ti shabda kim sutra bhavati, matlab echo yavayavaha. Echo yavayavaha sutra will make hari and yaha. Hari and A, Hare and A will become Haraye, because A becomes Ya. We will see what examples they have given in this book at the bottom of page 40. ये example देख के हमको ये बहुत सरल हो जाएगा. It will become very simple. एचो यवायवः, I'll read. अहम पठामि. ए को आई, ओ को अव, आई को आई और औ को आव हो जाता है बाद में कोई स्वर हो तो अगर दो शब्द में दूसरे शब्द स्वर के साथ स्वर से आरंभ होता है तो द फर्स्ट वन व्हेन यू जॉइन इट विल बिकम व्हाटएवर इट विल चेंज. वावेल आची, आची परे, आची पूर्वे आ ई उ ए आई ओ औ. No, not amma. Amma, there nothing begins with amma, so it does not work. But all these are in vowel. And r also. R. All these three are also counted as vowels. So all of them. 13. शब्द के अंतिम ए या ओ के बाद अ होगा तो नहीं. So if there is a, it will not happen. That they will give examples. So we will see. हरे प्लस ए इति हरे योग में इति हरये. जे योगः अह इति जयः. जे धातु अह जयः. कवे योगः ए कवये. हरिः हरि हरयः. हरिं हरि हरीं. हरिणा हरिभ्यां हरिभिः हरये. हरये इति चतुर्थी विभक्ति एकवचनम. हरि शब्द चतुर्थी विभक्ति एकवचनम. हाउ दैट शब्द वाज फॉर्म्ड लाइक दिस. हरे प्लस हरे योगः ए हरये. भो योगः अति भवति. पो योगः अना पवनः. बिकॉज ओ भो प्लस अति भवति. ओ became व अब. नई प्लस अकः इति नायकः. बिकॉज आई is there. I became I, नायकः. गै प्लस अकः गै योगः अकः गायकः. नायकः गायकः. पौ योगः अकः पावकः. पावकः. बिकॉज औ became आव. द्वौ योगः एतौ द्वावेतौ. So in Bhagavad Gita, for example, द्वाविमौ पुरुषौ लोके, द्वाउ plus imau, charaksha akshara eva cha. Panchadashaadhyaya. I've forgotten which shloka. 16th shloka, I think. Shodasha shloka. Dvavimau purushau loke sharakshakshara eva cha. Sharasarvani bhutani kutasthoksara uchyate. Dvavimau. Dvau yogaha imau. Dvavimau. Echo yavayavaha. Sutra Sandhi has worked there.
Dvavimau, so this is for au.
Au.
Au ko au.
Dvau etau, right? So dvau imau. Dvavimau. Both of them. Dvavimau purushau, right? Two purushas, two people. Two purushas, Shara and Akshara. They are given in Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavan says here.
So here when we look at this sandhi like this, I mean, why are we so? When we say Gayakaha, are we trying to say the Pratipadaka is Gai, and that's why you are trying to find Gayaka?
Yes.
That's
exactly
the purpose.
Yes, that's exactly the purpose. So you see, when Gayakaha, Gai plus Akaha, generally these sandhis always work when the end of the first and beginning of sentence are vowels, right? Yeah. We don't like in Sanskrit it is not Shuddha to keep two words when the end and the beginning are both vowels. So we combine for the sake of Shuddhata of Sanskrit. So when Gai plus Anaha comes, Akaha comes, we always say Gayakaha. That is how that Shabda itself is formed. Generally, Vastav mein some sandhis will be, easy. It will be very simple. Ye hecho yavayavaha is not so simple. Kyunki iska to the Gayakaha sounds like an actual word, but it is a word with a sandhi. Other shabdas will sound like it is a sandhi only, a sandhi word. But these hecho yavayavaha is different because the word itself sounds like a word. Haraye shabda iti chaturthi vibhakti ekavachanam asti. Parantu sandhi api asti. Sandhi shabda api asti. Haraye. Okay, we will see examples. Munaye. Sundarji vadatu bhavan. Munaye. Muna plus a. Munaye. हाँ. हरिजी वदतु भवान्. कवे प्लस ए. कवे योगः एति. हरिजी म्यूट् इति प्रयोगे. कवये. सम्यक्. अवन्तिकाजी वदतु भवान्. भवतु वदति. वदतु भवति. जे योगः अति. जयति. बहु सम्यक्. भो अति. सुन्दरजी. Bho. So O will become Av.
O will become Bhavati.
Bhavati, samyak. Hariji, Po Anaha.
O Ana.
O iti.
Avana.
Av.
O Vana.
Pavanaha.
Pavana.
O iti. O shabda becomes Av. When
Pavana.
Po Anaha, so the O will go away and V comes. So Pavanaha. अवंतिका जी. गुरो योगः ए. अवंतिका जी.
Could you repeat?
गुरो योगः ए.
Yogaha.
Plus. Guru and yogaha is the Shuddha way of saying plus in Sanskrit. Kyunki plus is English word. Guru and a will become
Gurave.
बहु सम्यक बहु समीचीनम. सुंदर जी. गाई अकहा. गायकः. हरि जी. गाई अति. गायति. अवंतिका जी. पौ अकहा.
Po plus
पौ.
Ava means
आवा. पौ plus अकहा will be
Pavakaha. Yes. Pau plus aka means Pavakaha.
Yes, Pavakaha. You got the most difficult one and you said it correctly. Pavakaha. Exactly. Bahu samyak. Ati samyak. Dvau imau, dvavimau. Dvavimau purushau loke. Wai. Dvau imau, dvavimau. So this sandhi works on 4 things. A, I, O, Au will become kramat. I, Au, I, Au. So the vritti also is very simple. Echo yavayavaha vritti kimasi echaha. Echaha, ai, o, au. Echaha kramat. Kramat, I, av, I, av. Bhavati. Achi. Achi purve. Bhavati. They have given syuhu achi. That also is okay. Syuhu bhavati. It will be the same. Bhavanti, you can say. Echaha kramat, I, av, syuhu achi. Okay. Any questions? ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शान्तिः 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 शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः ओम शान्तिः 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 ओम